Imagine having a therapist who never takes a day off, always listens without judgment, and adapts perfectly to your needs. Sounds impossible, right? But in 2025, artificial intelligence is making this a reality, transforming mental health care in ways we never thought possible. From AI-powered chatbots to virtual reality therapy, technology is breaking barriers, saving lives, and making mental health support more accessible than ever. Ready to explore how this tech revolution is changing minds and lives? Let's dive into the incredible world where AI meets mental health. The dawn of AI therapists. In recent years, AI-powered chatbots have emerged as a lifeline for millions struggling with mental health issues. Platforms like Wissa, Wobot, and Replica have taken the lead in offering AI-driven therapy sessions. These tools leverage cognitive behavioral therapy principles to help users navigate feelings of anxiety, depression, and stress. For instance, Wissa uses natural language processing to understand a user's emotional state and respond with guided exercises, affirmations, and coping techniques. By 2025, these chatbots have achieved significant milestones, including multilingual support, deeper contextual understanding, and integration with wearable health devices like Fitbit or Apple Watch. Imagine getting a notification from your watch saying, "We've noticed an elevated heart rate and irregular sleep patterns. How are you feeling today?" Such interventions are not just futuristic, but are actively in practice now. What makes them special is their non-judgmental and stigma-free environment, encouraging users to open up without fear of societal backlash. Predictive analytics, foreseeing mental health crises. One of AI's most groundbreaking contributions to mental health is predictive analytics. By analyzing vast datasets ranging from social media activity to health records, AI can identify subtle patterns that humans might miss. For example, a study published in Nature Human Behavior revealed that machine learning algorithms could predict suicide risk with up to 92% accuracy by analyzing linguistic cues in social media posts. Imagine an AI system detecting changes in someone's language, such as increased use of words like hopeless, tired, or broken. This level of precision allows mental health professionals to intervene before a crisis occurs. Hospitals in the U.S., such as Boston Children's Hospital, are already using these algorithms to monitor at-risk patients. Furthermore, AI-powered tools like IBM Watson Health are helping psychiatrists develop more effective treatment plans by predicting how a patient might respond to specific medications or therapies. This proactive approach not only saves lives but also fosters a sense of safety and security among patients and their families. Virtual reality. Immersive therapy experiences. Virtual reality, combined with AI, has revolutionized therapy, creating experiences that feel straight out of the sci-fi movie. Imagine tackling your fear of heights not by talking about it on a couch, but by stepping onto the edge of a virtual skyscraper, with the wind in your ears and your heart pounding. This is virtual reality exposure therapy in action, and by 2025, it's become a go-to treatment for phobias, post-traumatic stress disorder, and anxiety disorders. Companies like Limbix are at the forefront, crafting AI-powered virtual reality scenarios that adapt to how you react. For instance, if a post-traumatic stress disorder patient's stress levels spike while reliving a traumatic memory, the system automatically dials down the intensity, making the process safe but effective. It's therapy that moves at your pace. But virtual reality doesn't stop at phobias. It's also helping people find inner peace. Imagine meditating on a tranquil beach or practicing mindfulness under a starry sky, all from your living room. Virtual reality is creating immersive escapes that allow people to disconnect from the chaos of life and reconnect with their mental well-being. It's like therapy, meditation, and adventure all rolled into one. With AI tailoring every session to your needs, facing your fears or finding your zen has never been this cutting edge or this cool. Personalized treatment plans. AI's ability to analyze individual data has revolutionized the concept of one-size-fits-all treatments. By examining factors such as genetics, lifestyle, and even social determinants of health, AI can create hyper-personalized treatment plans. For example, platforms like DeepMind Health are using machine learning to analyze genomic data, identifying biomarkers that predict how a patient might respond to certain medications. This means no more trial and error with antidepressants, a process that can take months or even years. Instead, AI can recommend the most effective medication from the outset, significantly reducing the time it takes to see results. Additionally, AI-driven apps like MoodPath and BetterHelp are integrating with wearable devices to track users' physical activity, sleep patterns, and stress levels. These data points are then analyzed to provide actionable insights, such as suggesting changes in diet, exercise routines, or therapy schedules. This level of personalization ensures that mental health care is not just reactive, but also preventive, addressing issues before they escalate. Bridging the accessibility gap. Mental health care has always struggled with accessibility, especially in rural areas and low-income communities. Imagine needing help but having no one to turn to because the nearest therapist is hundreds of miles away, or worse, there's no therapist at all. This is the harsh reality for nearly 75% of people in low and middle-income countries who receive no mental health treatment, according to the World Health Organization. Enter AI, the superhero of modern mental health care. With its affordability and scalability, AI-driven tools are breaking down barriers like never before. Picture this: ChatGPT-based mental health assistants popping up in schools, libraries, and community centers, offering free instant support to anyone in need. In India, where the mental health professional-to-patient ratio is shockingly low, platforms like Your DOST are stepping in to bridge the gap, providing online counseling services to thousands of users daily. The best part? These tools don't just speak English. AI-powered teletherapy platforms now offer services in multiple languages, ensuring that cultural and linguistic differences don't stand in the way of care. It's like having a therapist who speaks your language, gets your culture, and is always available. This democratization of mental health care is nothing short of revolutionary, bringing critical support to the most vulnerable and transforming lives one conversation at a time. Ethical considerations and challenges. While the potential of AI in mental health is groundbreaking, it's not without its ethical minefields. Imagine sharing your deepest secrets with an AI-powered chatbot, only to have that data exposed in a cyber attack. The thought alone is enough to give anyone anxiety. Data privacy remains a major concern, especially when mental health records could be misused for stigma, discrimination, or even corporate profit. But that's not all what happens if an AI offers bad advice or fails to recognize a life-threatening mental health crisis. Who takes the blame? Your app store, the developer, the algorithm? Accountability is a murky area in this brave new world. Transparency is another pressing issue. AI algorithms often operate like black boxes, making decisions we don't fully understand. Add to that the fear of therapy losing its human touch. AI might simulate empathy, but can it truly understand the heartbreak of a breakup or the joy of overcoming a challenge? Experts are urging developers to tread carefully, using AI as a partner, not a replacement, for human therapists. Around the globe, regulatory bodies are crafting rules to ensure that AI tools are not just innovative but also ethical, inclusive, and trustworthy. After all, the goal is to heal minds, not add to the chaos. If you found this journey into the future of AI and mental health as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and share it with someone who might need to hear this. Subscribe for more incredible insights into how technology is shaping our world, and don't miss out on the next big thing. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments below.